Alright, next we're going to graph using intercepts. An x-intercept is where our line crosses the x-axis. Okay, that is where y is equal to 0. Okay, on this point right here on our graph. That crosses the x-axis where y is 0. Now y-intercept is just the opposite. That crosses the y-intercept. It's where our line crosses the y-intercept, and our x-coordinate is 0. Okay, notice here our x-coordinate is 0. So to graph using intercepts, we have to find both the x-intercept and the y-intercept. To find the x-intercept, we're going to let y equal 0 and solve for x. To find the y-intercept, we're going to let x equal 0 and solve for y. Okay, just opposite. So we're going to use intercepts to graph this equation here. So first, we need to let's find our x-intercept first. Okay, and to find our x-intercept, we said we're going to let y equal 0. So we're going to rewrite our equation, 3x, x stays as x, plus 4. Now instead of y, we're going to plug in a 0 because we want the y to be 0. That's our x-intercept. Now we just need to solve for x. Okay, 4 times 0 is 0, so those go away. 3x equals 12. Solve for x, we're going to divide by 3, so x is equal to 4. That's our x-intercept. That's where it crosses the x-axis. Okay, now let's find our y-intercept. Remember, y-intercept where it crosses the y-axis, so x is now going to be 0. So instead of x, we're going to plug in a 0. Plus, now we're leaving y alone, for y equals 12. And let's solve. Again, 3 times 0 is 0. 4y equals 12. We're multiplying, so do the opposite. Divide by 4, divide by 4. Y is equal to 3. Now, these are our two intercepts. So to graph this, very simple. Okay, we're going to take our x-intercept and we're going to go to our x-axis, which remember is our horizontal axis. And we're going to go over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plot a point. That's our x-intercept. Now our y-intercept is 3. So we're going to go up 3. Plot our point. And now all we do is just connect our 2 points and draw our straight line. Okay, that's graphing using intercepts. Again, x-intercept is where y is 0. So instead of y, we plug in a 0. The y-intercept is where x is equal to 0. So we plug a 0 in for x and solve. Okay, so we have an x-intercept of 4, a y-intercept of 3. Connect our dots and we have our line.